Ripe mangoes today.
Oh.
We should get some for breakfast.
These apples look fine, but your price is too high. I'll give you half.
All right, all right. You drive a hard bargain. Deal.
Fresh fish right here. Come and get it.
Good heavens, look at that feline running upright!
Stop her, she dropped her fruit.
Did you see the size of that cat?
Don't you come near my son again. Did you see that? The cat is yelling at him.
Look at these lovely greens.